This time we're going to make a very easy paracord bracelet with the feature that you can quick release the paracord, because you all know these kind of paracord bracelets that you can buy pretty much everywhere, and they are not very hard to make. But the problem is when you actually need a paracord, it's very time consuming to release the paracord, because you have to untie every single nut, and to my experience it takes about 3 to 5 minutes. And today I'm going to show you how to make a very easy paracord bracelet without some kind of special nuts or complicated nuts. And when you need a paracord, you simply pull and quick release the paracord. So what we're going to, or what we need is a piece of paracord. You can measure your wrist, and you can use a nut, or like I did, just melt it together. And you need about 10 feet of paracord. So I'm using some nails just to help me hold the piece down. Okay. Now we take our 10 feet of paracord, find the middle. Here it is. And now I simply put this over this piece of paracord and wrap it around like so. See, very easy, very simple, nothing special. Okay, then we take the upper part, go over the top, under, and that's it. Now we take the right cord, over the top, around the back, and now we take the left cord, over the top, around the back. Now again the right cord, over the top, around the back. Left cord, over the top, around the back. Tighten it a little bit. Right cord, over the top, around the back. Left cord, over the top, around the back. And so on and so on. And you see, it's very easy, no nuts involved, and it goes pretty quick. So on and so on. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Again, the left cord, you always take the one above the last one. So in this case, left cord, over the top, around the back. Now the right cord, over the top, around the back. And again the left cord, over the top, around the back. Right cord, over the top, around the back. And so on and so on. And I think you can see already what's going on. So I'm going to finish this, and then I get back to you. So we're almost there. And again, take the left cord, over the top, around the back. The right cord, over the top and around the back. Left cord, over the top, around the back. And the right one, over the top, around the back, and so on and so on. See, very easy, no knots involved. All we do is simply wrap the cords around the core. Now to finish it up, I make a little knot, and therefore I take, in this case, the right cord, put it on the left side, make a loop, and then I go with the left cord over the other cord. Hard to explain, best I show you. The loop, then I take this cord, go under this cord, under the loop, and then I just tighten it like so. And of course you can make any kind of knot you like, just that it stays. Now just clip off the ends. The scissors are not very sharp. Now I'll take a lighter and just melt the ends of the paracord. And press it. This one is a little short, but I think it will work anyway. Just to show you guys. Okay. Now, I use a simple carabiner, but you can always also use a shackle. And there you have it. A very easy and quick paracord bracelet. Now that's the finished bracelet. And the best thing with this bracelet is that you actually can quick release the paracord. And I'm going to show you how. To quick release the bracelet, you actually have to remove the carabiner on one side and then simply open up this nut. Shouldn't be too hard. And now comes the best part. Take the carabiner here and then pull. Nothing more to do. And you can see it's coming loose. So before I remove everything, I just tighten up this little piece here and show you what's happening. Because we didn't make any knots, we just wrapped around the paracord, we can simply release the core and no knots, just 10 feet of paracord. That's all. And that's what I like about this kind of bracelet. And it's pretty easy to make.